Hey loves, it's your girl Sabrina Latrice here. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Sabrina Latrice. It's nice to meet you. If you are a returning subscriber, I want to thank you so much for your love and support. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a at-home maintenance video. You're going to see things such as me installing my wig, doing my hair, eyelashes. This is actually my first time ever doing individuals. And I'm also going to do my makeup and show you guys a little bit of the outfit for the night. One of the reasons why I want to start doing more at-home maintenance is because, one, of course, I want to save some coin. Two, I like to be self-sufficient. I like to do a lot of things myself, especially as a cosmetologist. I love doing my own hair, makeup, and things like that. So I thought I would share this process with you guys. Every time that I go out, I typically do the same process because I definitely want to make it an experience for myself, just as if I was going to the salon to have someone else to do it. So I love to take my time, do my hair, do my makeup, and really do what's best for me that's going to make me feel good. And so in this video, I'm just sharing with you guys how I typically do my routine when I'm going out. And one of the ways that I like to show myself love and grace and care is by looking my best, because when I look my best, I feel my best and it just radiates. I talk a lot about femininity as well because I do want to get more in my feminine state. And so I'm not even sure if I'm saying that right, but I want to be a little bit more feminine. So this is a way that I do that for myself. When I look good, I feel good, and I just radiate positivity and femininity. So that's one of my biggest goals for this year, is just to take more time out for myself. And just pour back in. The saying is true. You can't pour into anyone else if your cup is empty. So I definitely want to make sure that I'm doing myself justice by taking care of myself first. And this is one of the ways that I decide to do it at home.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. All that I crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take, the love that we make, it's my favorite drug. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. You got me feeling some type of way. You make me wanna stay in all day. You're the thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you. I just can't stop thinking about you.
Y'all, let's talk about it. Let's just talk about it. Do you see how these lashes turned out? Do you see it? Now I had to restart because the lashes are giving me trouble. So now I finally have them completely on. I know they're a little like off as far as the look. One side I was having issues with the back, on the other side the front. It is what it is, but they look so good and so natural. I'm not sure how long they're gonna last. I wasn't planning on them lasting just a few days. Again, my event is this weekend, so I'm fine with them just lasting for tonight. But yeah, I love them. I love the way they turned out. I'm super excited to finish my makeup. It's something about lashes when you already have lashes on and your makeup is not done. You just want to slay your makeup to bring it all together. But that's exactly what we're about to do. I'm about to go grab my makeup and then I will be back so we can move into the makeup portion of this video.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a good, I put that on God when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that mentality. Jump on jealousy, my bad. Get away from me, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, better way. Oh, Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics, do y'all like the sound? Seeking approval constantly. When it's my truth I own, I speak it, don't make sense now. Give it a good, put that on good when it gets hard. I stay on my job like no days off, so you can go home with that. Jump on my back, 'cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. 'Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, already got the world on me. Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter, I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey, nigga catch a break. Better way. Oh, free in my mind. Moody. 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 Oh, you big Moody. I crave love and attention, but I keep everybody at a distance. If I build it, will y'all really come? Bought all these panties, but I really don't wear none. I like boys and I like girls, but I love my baby. Some may judge, but Emmanuel is still God within me. Yeah. I don't drink liquor, but it's something about a champagne toast. Still can't swim, but I sure could float. I rip the water, bear a sign, but all the elements live rent free in my mind. Yeah. Moody. 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 Here I find myself again, time traveling only in my head. From the past to future play, more change, yeah. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity to choose perfect peace, and I'll forever and always be here, present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to shift. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. The balance between problem solving and the universe working itself out. All that I have is all that I need, but to actualize it I can't doubt, no doubt. My emotions are valid, but the goal is not to be triggered every time. Never mind, it's just life. It's okay for my sanity. I choose peace, and I'll forever and always be present. I am enough as I am. I am fully equipped, even when the tide and the current start to shift. I am adaptable. I am adaptable. Let it go, let it go, let it go, let it go. It's safe for me to be grounded in the present moment. I honor God when I honor me. I honor God could you honor me? Honor me. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you.
So y'all, let me show y'all the fit. I gotta go. I'm running late. I don't know how well y'all can see this, but this is the fit for tonight, matched with these shoes. So y'all, fun fact, this is actually all my wedding stuff. It's crazy to say, but it really is. These are my wedding earrings. I got these from Ava and Eva, I think. And this dress, Forever 21. And this bracelet, Kate Spade. Of course, my wedding ring. My nails from the beauty supply store. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm done. I tried to at least get some type of footage, but your girl is running super duper late. I want to thank you guys again for tuning in to this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.